Now we are going to discuss the criteria for similarity of triangles. In the last class we discussed BPT and its converse. Now we are going to see different criteria for similarity of triangles. That is, what are the conditions for the two triangles to be satisfied to become similar. Can you remember the rules for congruency of two triangles? For two triangles to be congruent, if three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another, two sides and their included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another. If one side and two angles on it of one triangle are equal to one side and two angles on it of another, and then RHS congruency rule, SAS congruency rule, SSS congruency rule, SAA or ASA congruency rule, RHS congruency rule. Like that, for triangles, two triangles to be similar, here these two triangles have the same size, and if these two sides are equal, the other second pair are also equal, third side are also equal, we can say that the triangles are congruent. These are the minimum requirements for two triangles to become congruent. Now we are going to compare two triangles of different sizes, and what are the conditions for these two triangles, for the triangles to be satisfied to become similar. That is what we are going to discuss here. One, suppose what are the properties of similarity of two triangles? Properties are this: if three angles of one are equal to three angles of another, three angles of one are equal to three angles of another, and the corresponding sides are proportional. Three corresponding sides are proportional to three corresponding sides of another. Here, if three sides are proportional, suppose we are given two triangles of different sizes. If their angles, all the three angles are equal, then we can see that their sides will also be proportional. That is, if in triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. If angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, then we can say that we can see that the sides, corresponding sides, AB by PQ, the ratio, is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. If these conditions are satisfied, then we get this result. What is the meaning of this? If three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of another, corresponding parts of another, then the corresponding sides are proportional. That means the triangles are similar. This is theorem 6.3. AAA similarity theorem criterion. AAA similarity criterion. What is AAA similarity criterion? If three angles of one triangle are equal to three corresponding angles, corresponding parts of the other. Three corresponding parts of the other. If three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of another, then the triangles are similar. This is the first criterion. This criterion is known as AA similarity criterion. See, suppose we are comparing two angles, only two angles of one triangle and two angles of another. Suppose the measure of this angle is A, this angle B. This angle also A, this angle B. What is the measure of the third angle? According to angles of property, 180 minus A plus B. 180 minus A plus B. Here also 180 minus A plus B. Look, if two triangles are equal, then third angles will also be equal by angles of property. We need not to check all the three angles of two triangles. Instead, it is enough to check whether any two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding parts of the other, corresponding angles of the other. If B equal to Q, C equal to R angles, then A and P are corresponding angles, then A will be equal to, angle A will be equal to angle P automatically. So we can reduce this as AA similarity criterion. AAA similarity criterion or AA similarity criterion. This is theorem 6.3. We will see the second criterion for the similarity of triangles. Consider these two triangles. These two triangles have the same size. If suppose these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, the third sides are also equal. Then what do you say about these two triangles? These two triangles are congruent. Now let us consider triangle of different size ABC and a triangle PQR, in which AB, the side AB is proportional to side PQ, proportional, and BC is proportional to QR, and AC is proportional to PR. Not equal. In this case, the sides are equal, but in this case, three sides of ABC are proportional to the corresponding three sides of PQR. Sides are proportional, not equal. Then we can say that the three triangles are, we can see that these two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar. If three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three sides of another. But in the case of congruency, we say that if three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of corresponding three sides of another. But for similarity, we consider three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle. Three sides. So three sides can be represented by S. Three sides. So the criterion, second criterion is known as which is theorem 6.4. SSS similarity criterion. SSS similarity criterion. SSS similarity criterion. So first one, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. Second, if three sides of one are proportional to the three sides of the corresponding parts of the other, then the triangles are similar. Now let us consider the third one. Third criterion for the similarity. Criterion 3. Okay. Theorem 6.5. Theorem 6.5. Consider these two triangles of same size. If corresponding these two sides are equal, and their included angles are equal, then what do we say about these two triangles? These two triangles are congruent. Now, let us consider a different size triangle having the same property. Property means corresponding sides are proportional. These two sides are proportional. A, B, C. Corresponding sides. These two sides are proportional. PQR. Corresponding sides are proportional. And the corresponding included angles are equal. Angles are equal. Sides are proportional. Now what is the relation between triangle ABC and triangle PQR? Different size. In such a case we say that the two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Why? AB is proportional to PQ, BC is proportional to QR, and angle B, included angle B equal to angle Q. This is the third criterion for the similarity of two triangles. This is theorem 6.5. That is, two sides and included angle, SAS. Side angle side. So this criterion is known as SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Once again, what are the different criteria for the similarity of two triangles? If three sides of one triangle, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle. If two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. By A, we can call it as A similarity theorem. And second one, theorem 6.4, if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of another, corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. And the last, the two sides are proportional and included angle are equal of two triangles, then the triangles are similar. So the first criterion, AA similarity criterion, second SS similarity criterion, third SAS similarity criterion. We want to know only the criterions, not proof of these are not required. Now read textbook pages 129 to 135. Do and study examples 4 to 8. Do exercise 6.3 all questions. Thank you.